Hey guys, it's Mr. Wilson. I wanted to show you guys how to access split screen on the iPad. So you'll notice there's kind of a weird glare, guys. That's because this is my Surface, my fingers in between, recording onto my iPad so I can show you what I do. So here I am, guys, just attending my normal Teams meeting. You know, no big deal, like you do, okay? So I'm here chilling in the meeting, guys, and I'm like, you know what? Hey, Mr. Wilson wants me to work on my assignment. So I'm in Teams. I'm here in the meeting, which most of you guys are pretty familiar with on the iPad. What you're going to go ahead and do, guys, is click this over button and come on down here to see what assignment we have. Oh, it looks like today we're doing supply and demand crash course. So right here I'm in 2A, just in the general, and I'm going to click these three dots, guys, and I'm actually going to open this in the app. So I'm going to open that in my Word document. So I give it a minute. It opens up inside of Word. Give it just a second. So it's loading, 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 and ta-da, there we go, guys. Right here we've got the supply and demand, and I can edit it right in here and type in my answers and all that stuff. And then when you're done, guys, you have this little share button right here that you can then send a copy and send it to Mr. Wilson or share it to me, which is awesome because we're going to make sure we do that. But how do I go from here to split screen? Okay, guys, this is the trick. Right here, you're going to drag up from the bottom, go from the bottom part right here. You're going to drag up until you see those four icons. One of them will be Teams, and that's what we know because we're already in the Teams meeting. I'm going to hold on to this little Teams guy. Oop. I'm just going to pick him up and bring him over here. And when he sits like this, guys, he makes a split screen. Ta-da. So now I'm in a split screen with my Teams meeting. And I'm going to click back in here to see the screen. So this is how you guys can sit in a Teams meeting. So me as Mr. Wilson, I'm going to go ahead and start sharing my screen. And I'm going to say, cool, let's share my whole screen. Okay. So now you guys can see me sharing my screen, right? And this is me normally teaching. So what we're going to be able to do with this, guys, is I can show you guys the Classcraft videos right here in class. Okay, so here I am sharing the video, but I'm going to stop sharing so you guys can see the person in front of me. He sees both screens. So on the iPad, guys, what that person is seeing, go ahead and stop sharing, is that they're going to see both the YouTube video on the right over here, and they'll see the work over here. So while the YouTube video is playing, you guys can sit here and type in your answers, okay? This is going to allow us to do these YouTube videos as bell work, so you guys can have a free assignment at the beginning of every class. If you have any questions, let me know, guys, and have good days, bunnies. Thanks.